Hello everyone, today I want to start a new video series about the Bitcoin UI kit, and today I want to give you a quick overview about the whole topic, so what the UI kit is and what it does and why you maybe need it and how you can contribute to it or how to use it. But yeah, today it's just a little overview, and in the next parts I want to show you how it's structured, how to use it, and many more topics. So first you can go to bitcoinuikit.com. There you can find it. It's a very nice little website. And there you'll directly find the duplicate on Figma button where you can quickly duplicate it and open it in Figma. And then you can directly start with this. So this is very interesting if you want to directly dive deep into this topic. And I supported this UI kit already. Christoph Ono started it, and it's a huge thing. And now I'm focusing more on supporting the UI kit because I just did a little bit of stuff here. But now I want to focus more on this. And one of the first big tasks that I want to tackle is to explain a little bit more that this UI kit exists and how to use it. And this is why I'm doing this video series now that you're watching. So the Bitcoin UI kit, as you see here, it's themable. So it's not just one design and you need to stick to this. It's themable. How to theme it, I want to show you in the next part or in another part. So there are a lot of elements in there. There are icons, there are different color styles and everything. Themes, as I just said, yeah, you can do a lot of nice things and even change the font and everything. And you can use, or you need to use a UI kit plugin for this, but I will explain you later. There are a lot of components. Let me make it back to default. There are a lot of screens and user flows and everything. So it's a huge thing. And if you are starting a Bitcoin app, for example, or a project, then you should use this Bitcoin UI kit because all user flows that you might need are in there if you want to create a wallet, for example. So, and there are two very big projects that are built with this. The first one is Bitcoin Core app, and Jam is the other one. But yeah, as I said, lots of wallets and so on are built with the Bitcoin UI kit. So there's a lot of feedback already, and so it's optimized very well, and it's always maintained to optimize it even more. And yeah, in the next videos, I want to show you more how the whole UI kit is structured and how to use it and many more. Yeah, a little bit about myself, maybe. So I'm a freelance UX UI designer specialized in design systems in the last couple of years. And I built or helped to build design systems for big companies and how to structure it and how to start it and everything. So I'm really a big enthusiast in design systems. Yeah, I'm also a Bitcoin enthusiast and love to support Bitcoin in general, but especially the Bitcoin design community, because it's open source. I always loved open source as an idea, and but what I always found a bit sad was that I'm not a developer. I can't code, and I'm not really into learning to code, to be honest. And with the Bitcoin design community, there is an open source space where you as a designer can support an open source idea, and Bitcoin in general is super interesting. And if you're not already deep into Bitcoin, then you can go, for example, to bitcoinresources.com, and Gigi, an interesting Bitcoiner, has created a little list of books, articles, podcasts, videos, and so on. And yeah, just check this out, and maybe you are getting orange pilled as well. And what I can really recommend is a German documentary, but there are English subtitles, so no worry. And this thing, someone sent it to me, a good friend of mine, and he explained a lot of stuff, and I didn't really get it. And then I watched this documentary, and then I was into that topic, down the rabbit hole. So I can really recommend this documentary, even if it's 2 years old. It's very worth watching. Yeah, as I said, Bitcoin design it's a community, it's an open source community, and you can participate. You can just go on the Discord and start talking to others and ask where you can help maybe, and bring your ideas to them and so on. So it's very cool and very open, and the whole thing is about the idea of open design. Open design is about collaborate as yeah as free as possible, and there's no company behind it or something like this. It's really about working together towards a greater goal, a common goal. And yeah, this is really, really interesting. And there are a lot of nice people, and it's very fun to work with them. There are meetings where you can talk to them. It's in the calendar here. You can just jump in, talk to the people, ask questions. It's a very open space. It's really nice. Yeah, and I think the Bitcoin topic is a bit niche. So everyone knows about Bitcoin already and heard it, but it's not there where it will be in the next couple of years. I'm convinced about this. And I think a lot of companies will pop up and want to create their own Bitcoin related products and so on. And I think if you start now already because you're interested in this, then you know all the backgrounds about it, and maybe you have better job opportunities even in the future. I don't know, but yeah, you will definitely learn a lot of stuff from the other people in the Bitcoin design community, because there are very experienced people. There are new people that just starting out designing, and so you will definitely learn something. Maybe just jump in, go to bitcoinuikit.com and duplicate the file, play around with this. You can't destroy anything because it's just your own copy of it. And in the next part of the video series, I want to deep dive into this file and show you how it's structured and how you can use it, and many more. So yeah, let's talk about this next time then.